Hello and welcome to Sailrite Workbench. Today we have a trendy yet simple tote bag. Much like modern pants, this bag has no pockets, making it a super fast and simple project to complete. But unlike modern pants, it can still carry many things. This might be why totes have gotten so popular in the last few years and are still trending. Not only is this super useful and popular, but it's also customizable. Feel free to add pockets on the inside or something decorative on the outside. Either way, when it comes to convenience, this is the bag. For this bag, we'll be using Magnolia Home Summer Wind Frolic for the outer material. We'll be using Outdura Canvas Crimson for the liner and the border materials. We will also need two 1-inch wide straps of cotton webbing. We'll start by folding the outer material in half. Next, mark and cut out the corners 1.5 inch up from the bottom and 2 inches from the sides. Clip the 17-inch sides of the fabric together with the wrong side still out. Then sew 1/2 inch away from the edge along both sides. Clip the bottom corners and the sides together where they meet. And sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Repeat the same steps with the liner, but when sewing along the two sides, leave a 4-inch gap near the bottom at one side. Put the tote on the side for now, and we will start on the border. For the border, clip together the 4-inch sides and sew them with a 1/2 inch seam allowance on the wrong side. Turn the border right side out and fold it in half and clip the raw edges together. Set the border down for now and let's return to the tote. Turn the outer material right side out and push out those corners. Clip the border to it while using the side seams and raw edges to line them up. Next, turn the liner inside out and put it around the outer material and border so that the right sides are touching. Clip all raw edges together at the opening, again using the side seams to line them up. Place the tote on its side and measure 3 inches inward from each side seam. This is where you will place the base of your handles on the front and back sides of your tote. Also, be sure to place your handles inside the project and in between the liner and the border. Sew along the raw edges carefully with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Be sure to backstitch over the handles for extra strength. Turn the project right side out using the 4-inch opening. And there it is. Sew the opening closed with a machine or hand sew for a prettier finish. Push the liner inside of the tote. Top stitch around the bottom and the top of the border. And finished. Look at that. Congratulations on your simple yet beautiful and useful tote bag. I find these perfect for many outings and so convenient when you are on the go. The straps are able to be held with your hand or worn over your shoulder. Feel free to decorate the outside with various media. If you really like it, make another one, but add pockets, zippers, or adjust the strap sizes. There are so many choices. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or you would like to see more. If you have any questions about tools and materials, please see the description below. Feel free to leave any comments, and thank you so much for watching.